Bedroom cover and cover designs. A bedroom cover, such as a duvet cover or comforter set, is a crucial element in bedroom decor, adding style, comfort, and personality to the space. With countless designs and patterns available, choosing the right bedroom cover can greatly impact the overall aesthetic and ambiance of the room. From soothing solids and subtle stripes to bold florals and geometric patterns, the design of the bedroom cover can create a sense of calm, energy, or playfulness. Consider factors such as the room's color scheme, furniture style, and personal preferences when selecting a bedroom cover design. For example, a minimalist bedroom might benefit from a simple, monochromatic cover, while a whimsical bedroom might feature a playful, patterned design. By choosing a bedroom cover that complements the room's style and atmosphere, individuals can create a cozy and inviting space that promotes relaxation and restful sleep. Popular bedroom cover designs. Solids. A solid-colored bedroom cover can create a clean, minimalist look and provide a versatile backdrop for other decorative elements. Stripes. Striped bedroom covers can add visual interest and create a sense of energy or playfulness in the room. Florals. Floral patterns can add a touch of elegance and sophistication to the bedroom, creating a romantic or vintage-inspired atmosphere. Geometric patterns. Geometric patterns, such as chevrons or hexagons, can add a modern and dynamic touch to the bedroom. Textured fabrics. Textured fabrics, such as velvet or linen, can add depth and tactile interest to the bedroom cover. Benefits of a well-chosen bedroom cover. Enhances ambiance. A well-chosen bedroom cover can greatly impact the ambiance and atmosphere of the room. Adds style. A stylish bedroom cover can add personality and style to the bedroom, reflecting the individual's taste and preferences. Promotes relaxation. A comfortable and inviting bedroom cover can promote relaxation and restful sleep. Easy to update. Changing the bedroom cover is a simple and effective way to update the look and feel of the bedroom without major renovations. Personal expression. A bedroom cover can be a reflection of the individual's personality and style, allowing for personal expression and creativity. By considering these factors and design options, individuals can choose a bedroom cover that complements their personal style and creates a cozy, inviting atmosphere that promotes relaxation and restful sleep.